Hi, Leanne here, and this is my review of the Cocktail Codex.
Here's a look at the inside of the book. It goes into detail on the old-fashioned, the Martini, the Daiquiri, the Sidecar, the Whisky Highball, and the Flip. And every section gives you lots of recipes for each. And it also tells you the history of every drink. It tells you which bottle is preferred. I mean, talk about detail. You're gonna know everything there is to know about each one of these drinks and all the different ways that you can make them. So I'll flip through a few more here to give you a look. The photography even tells you step by step. So if you want to know how to mix hand-mixed syrups, make a simple syrup, it gives you details on everything. You will need like some different tools to make the drinks in this sophisticated way. But if you're someone who's a connoisseur of liquors and fine drinks, that's probably something that you have on hand anyway. One of my favorite things is just the photography. I feel like it's nice to create your drink and then compare it to how it looks in the book. And there's so much to learn about spirits and cocktails. I haven't looked at this too often, and I can see there's a lot to learn. So yeah, if you're someone who enjoys a fine cocktail, I definitely recommend this book.